At STEM Academy, we're nurturing tomorrow's innovators through hands-on competition where curiosity meets engineering. STEM Academy is the only school in the Fond du Lac School District with a middle school robotics team. Robotics is more than just programming and building, though. It's problem solving and presenting, cooperation and competitions, inspiration and innovation. Let's hear from a few of our LEGO Robotics innovators for more information about the team.
Hi, I'm Tony and I'm in 7th grade.
Hi, I'm Rory and I'm in 7th grade. And this is LEGO Robotics.
And this is LEGO Robotics!
Okay.
Whether here or in the classroom, how does the PBL mindset help you when you run into a problem or if something breaks?
I use the PBL mindset and the core values of LEGO Robotics when I run into a problem by I apply perseverance and teamwork and innovation and a bunch of different core values to make it work. And if something breaks, I figure out why it's breaking and fix that. What sort of skills do you learn here that you think you'll take with you for later in life?
I think the skills that I would take with me later in life would be how to problem solve better, sticking with a problem till I find a solution, and also just having a creative mindset. What's the coolest thing you've been able to do here you don't think you could do at a normal school?
Well, honestly, all the robotics and computer science that we've been able to do and the projects, so cool. They're so much fun. The projects take place of some of our tests, and so that's a good way for us to show our learning in a different way, and it's much more fun and something we can look forward to instead of a written essay or doing a science test that you can show that you've been learning instead of just writing down the correct answers.
From small parts come big solutions, helping our students turn their ideas into action.